Hey, I've recently been working on catching up on some projects, one of which being this dress that I bought a while ago on clearance from like Meijer, and it was cute-ish. I liked it enough, but there were a few things about it that I really wanted to change. So today I want to show you how I turned a dress that was kind of meh into something I'm really excited to wear. The biggest thing I hated about this dress was the mismatched patterns. It just wasn't cute. So my plan was to tear the accent pattern off. So I started with the bottom because I figured that would be easiest. So I removed that pattern from the bottom and had originally planned to add length back to the dress, but changed my mind because I thought it was cuter without. So the overall dress ended up losing like 2.5 inches off the end, but it was fine. So I hemmed up the bottom to finish it. The neck accents were more difficult, but I decided to use the old pieces that I tore off the dress as a pattern to cut the new fabric from, which was a super cute solid peach stretch material. I just went piece by piece, cutting and sewing the new pieces together, basically reverse engineering the old pieces so that I could match the new fabric exactly. So the stitch marks, how they fit together. It was difficult, but I felt it was the only way to get this to look nice. I did reuse whatever pieces I could, so the bias tape, the buttons, as well as the loops. And this whole process was slightly tedious, but definitely worth it. Once I had finished assembling the new pieces, I just had to attach them back to the body of the dress. And if you look at the dress up close, you can definitely see all the flaws. This is not perfect, but this new fabric matches so much better. It looks so much nicer. I don't regret it at all. And I feel like the length of the dress now is just so cute and so flirty. I'm just so excited with all the changes that I made. Alright guys, and that was all I had to share with you today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and of course if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. I love seeing those, they make me so happy. If you're new here and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel because I would really love to see it grow. I'm doing everything I can, but I can't do it without your guys' help, so please subscribe. And that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!